How's it going, everybody? My name is Christopher here for Cars Unlocked. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the remote starter in your Nissan vehicle. So we're here with Nissan Rogue. We have the Nissan Intelligent Key. Let's get started. All you have to do to use the remote start, it's a 3-combination press. So you just need to push the lock button twice and click and hold the remote start button. So just like this, once, twice, and click and hold that remote start button. And then the car is going to start up for you. 2 honks, click and hold the remote start button. Very easy. Now as we approach the car, I just need to push the button on the door here and I can get in. And then you still need to push the start button. That's so it recognizes your key. And now that I push the start button, I'm ready to take off. It's important to note that the car's going to idle for about 10 minutes. So if you feel like you got held up or you want to shut off your car without going out there and physically shutting it off, you can just push the remote start button here at the top and the engine's going to start off and the car will remain locked. Thank you so much for watching.